piece of corn. Corn. Can you say corn? Uh-oh, pick it up, Chloe. Put it back in. You see apples in there? Carrie! I hear Carrie. Coco, they're calling you. Coco found a thing of apples and stuff. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Carrie. Coco, go by Carrie. Go by Carrie. Chloe found all the fake food. No, there's a thing of fake food over here at the
Biting into it though.
Chloe knows it's caca. Carrie, it's a fake apple. It's caca. Come over here and see. There's like a little school. What?
When I tell her come here, she says coming.
I know. I don't know where she's learning this stuff. See?
Wow.
Carrie, look in here. Look, there's corn.
Will you keep them busy? I want to go. Ew, no, that's caca.
Don't eat that, baby. It's caca.
It's fake.
Yeah, Laura. Were you going in the shop?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
She asked you to come on, baby.
Ooh, that's a pepper.
Pepper.
Pepper. Don't take a bite, Chloe. No bites.
Banana.
It's not a banana. It's corn.
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 Corn. Apple.
Apple.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh. Oh.
No, it's not. It's not real. Carrie, what else do you find?
I have a table.
There's no table, I know. You can put it on here. No, don't go on there, baby. Baby.
No.
Okay. Okay. Chloe.
Apple.
Apple. Carrie, be careful. Be careful, it rocks. It's a rocking chair. Here, let me help you, baby.